Class about
ना त्याच्यामध्ये त्यांनी सगळं हे दिलेलं कसं डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करायचं मार्क्स अटेंडेंस 4 फर्स्ट आहे 4 सेकंड आहे 10 असाइनमेंट 2
Okay. Hello, Swapnil sir. Hello, Swapnil sir. Hello. त्यांना काय एरर यायला लागलाय का हो? मला ते रिक्वेस्टच येणार आहेत का?
सरांची
Wait for few minutes, students. We will start the session within 5 minutes, students. Hello. Is my voice is clear to you, all of you? Is my voice is clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Student. Okay. So what I
Yes,
said that
ma'am.
within few minutes we will. Okay. Fine.
हॅलो मॅडम, आवाज ऐकू येतो का? Hello, am I audible? Hello. Okay. Hello, ma'am. Shall I start now or you want to say something? Snehal, ma'am.
Hello, Swapnil sir.
And video.
हाँ sir.
Alpha syllabus is
Are you hearing?
Yes, ma'am. Clearly.
Okay. Okay. Students, is my voice is clear to you, all of you? Students. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So first I will give the introduction about the sir. So good afternoon to all the participants. I am from KVPCA College Nipani. On behalf of our college, I welcome to all the participants. Okay. I welcome to all of you for the today's webinar, and this webinar it is on web technology. So to deliver this webinar, our today's guest is Mr. Swapnil Poddar sir. Sir has done his BE Computer Science from Chikuri College, Chikuri Engineering College. So I welcome you, sir. Uh, Again, sir is having the 6 years experience in teaching and 1 year industry experience as a web developer in IP Websoft company Kolhapur. So the sir is currently working as a department head of a computer science and information technology in Devchan College. So once again, I welcome you, sir, and now I request to you, sir, with to start the session. Sorry because of inconvenience or the disturbance in the joining the sessions to participants
No, no.
also and to our guests also. Okay, so
No
sir, you
problem,
can
ma'am.
start your section.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Shall I
Okay.
start now? Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, yes, sir. Your
Okay.
voice is audible. You can present your screen also, sir. No problem.
Okay, okay. First of all, congratulate to all the students and such a organizing this webinar or anything else, these lectures. We can say that. So the web technology is far better, or it is a biggest in the industry today, because all the world is depending on the web. Okay, the technology and the web, it is a crucial part in our life today because of this COVID-19 situation. So most of the companies requirement is what, most of the companies hire the students in the web industries only. Okay, so more number of jobs are available for you on this web technologies. So first of all, we will start my presentation and discuss about what is been a web and technology first. Okay, so I will present my screen. 1 minute. My PPT is visible, ma'am?
Yes,
Because
sir.
from here,
It is
okay, okay, okay.
yes, sir.
So
It is
we will
visible.
start. Okay, thank you, ma'am. So first of all, we will start with the web and the technology. Students, web and technology is not a small part. It is the biggest part in our technology industry. Okay, so as you can see here in the right diagram, there is a most of the sources available like MVC part, Laravel technology, Angulars. These are the latest languages that are available in the industry today. Okay, and we start to learn these languages from the basic needs, like the basic language to start in the web technology is the HTML. Okay, it is HTML, means hypertext markup language, is the basic need for every students to learn these languages. To start advanced level, we will first start from the HTML technology. Okay, so we will start with the web. What is mean by web? So web is nothing but what, the web is nothing but the world wide web. As you heard sometimes, that is a world wide web, that is www. When you enter any URL like a Facebook or anything else like a Gmail, you can see that the www is firstly automatically entered by internet. Okay, what is mean by www? It's nothing but the web. Okay, तो क्या है www मतलब क्या है, इट इज अ वेब है. तो वेब मतलब क्या है, पूरा जो इंटरनेट का सोर्स है वो पूरा वेब पर डेवलप है, वेब पर डिपेंड है. ओके, सो क्या रहता है इधर, और व्हाट इज डिपेंड ऑन दिस वन, internet and the web. What is mean by this internet and the web? It is a network connected, means what, it is a network of a network connected and communicating using a TCP IP protocol. यहाँ पे क्या रहता है, डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ प्रोटोकॉल्स रहता है, डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ लैंग्वेज रहता है, और डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ सॉफ्टवेयर आर अवेलेबल फॉर यू टू लर्न दिस web technology. Okay, so first you can see that in the left side or right side images, like the earth is there in the center and the different types of laptops are available that are connected by a network. Okay, network, it is maybe a wireless or wired network, you can say that. Okay, it is a wired network or wireless network. So how they can communicate to each other, there is a medium. What is that medium is a TCP IP protocol medium. Okay, so that we can using that TCP or the IP protocol we can communicate to each other by directly. अभी जो हमने कनेक्शन किया है, अभी हम मेट पर कनेक्ट रहते, तो एग्जैक्ट आपके इंस्टीट्यूट में जी सूट का आईडी लेके वही अलाउ कर सकते हैं. कैसे होता है वो नेटवर्क के मीडियम थ्रू होता है. ओके, यूजिंग दैट नेटवर्क यू कैन कनेक्ट विथ ईच अदर. ओके, बाय अ इंटरनेट मीडियम. ओके, तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, सो हम क्या करते हैं, तो शेयरिंग करते हैं रिसोर्सेज का. कौन सा ही रिसोर्स रहता है, कौन से रिसोर्स है, तो इधर हम मेल यूज कर सकते हैं, एखादे समवॉट हम कैमरा फोटोज और एनीथिंग एल्स वीडियोस, और हम चैटिंग यूज कर सकते हैं. ऐसे रहता है इंटरनेट में हमारा क्या रहता है, तो हम कम्युनिकेशन मीडियम के लिए इंटरनेट का यूज कर सकते हैं. ओके, टू यूज दिस इंटरनेट वी वांट TCP IP protocol to communicate with the each other or the medium. Okay, next, तो components of the web. तो इतना बड़ा हमारा वेब टेक्नोलॉजी है, तो क्या क्या कंपोनेंट्स लगते हैं हमारे लिए, तो डिफरेंट रिक्वायरमेंट्स ऑफ द वेब और द कंपोनेंट्स. फर्स्ट वन इज द वेब पेज एंड द वेबसाइट. ओके, सेकंड वन इज द वेब ब्राउजर एंड द वेब सर्वर. Third one is the URL, means what, uniform resource locator. Then there are different types of languages, as I have written this single HTML, but different type of languages are there. You can use it for designing that websites also. Okay, then there is a protocol single HTTP. Here I have written only HTTP, you can use something like SMTP, FTP protocol to communicate with each other. And there is a IP or internet protocol. So let's see what is mean by web page and the website. The difference is what mean by web page or website. As you once you start the browser, you can see that one web page, something like you can visited already. Okay, klebca.nippani. Uh, this one is the your website, college website. Once you are redirecting to that website, you can see a one page website. Okay, web page, this is what we call it as a web page. One page is called as a web page, or different type of tabs or different types of pages are interlinked with each other using hyperlinks media. Okay, hyperlinks media is there. In that coding we have done with the codings, we have hyperlink with each other. Somewhat the web pages we have designed that are interlinked with each other using the code. That may be the code of PHP or anything else, HTML code. You can use whenever your requirement is there, you can use that code. Okay, the web page is nothing but as a single part. Okay, single part of that website. And website can consist of, it is a 2 pages, 3 pages or hundreds of pages. Okay, तो website में क्या रहता है, hundreds of pages you can interlink or combinedly you can generate, and that website will be developed using that different types of web pages. Okay, next one. So once we have done with the web pages, what is our next requirement is the web browser. Okay, web browser already you are using it. As you can see in the images, there is a Opera, Google Chrome is browser is there. For Safari, it is a Mac OS Safari browser is there. Mozilla Firefox is there. Then Microsoft Edge, Microsoft Internet Explorer is there. So it is nothing but a software. Web browser is nothing but an application or a software. We call it as a software. Okay, what why we need that Chrome or anything browsers as we have shown in front of you? Why this is needed for you? To test our web page is working correctly or not. This is the required thing, or this is a required software for us to test any website. Okay, so there are different types of uh, browsers that are available for your smartphone. There is a UC Mini, UC browser is there, or anything else like your mobile browser is there. You can use first. You can use this web browser for a computers or a mobile. What you need to try is first you have to done one web page and try to run on this web browser to test there it is working properly or not. So what is meant by working properly or not, as we can see in the next slides. Okay, so first of all, the web browser is the most important thing. Then the web pages, websites is needed, and there is a lot more somewhat important is the web server. Once we have designed one website, okay, what is the requirement for that? Once we have done website, it is stored in our local computer or a smartphone. Okay, so to display this website or anything web pages to overall world or overall web, what we need is a web server. Okay, web server is nothing but the storage area. Okay, web server is nothing but our storage area of our websites, collection of websites. Okay, there are different types of web servers available over the internet, like a dedicated server or cloud servers available, then VPS servers available. You can use anything for your requirement of the web pages. If there is a lot of space in your websites, means what, you have done one website and that is of size of 1 GB or 2 GB, so you need something like a higher level of web server or higher capacity of web server that is needed, that is connected to the higher Mbps speed of internet. Okay, so here you can see the term web server can refer to the either as a hardware, or we can call it as a hardware or a software. There are different types of softwares are available today's world. Okay, what is meant by that? Softwares are if you are using the now you are using the Windows platform or Linux platform. In Windows platform, you can see that IIS is the server available for you, and for the Linux, the Apache servers is available, like a XAMPP. WAMP servers are available. Using that, you can test our website in locally, and you can generate our specialized servers in your institute to record our websites. Okay, the web server, what is the job of this web server is there? What is the job of this web server? तो web server क्या करता है देखिए, तो वो क्या करता है, होस्ट करता है वेब पेजेस को. मीन्स व्हाट, मैंने एक वेबसाइट डिजाइन की है, तो क्या करता हूँ मैं, तो वेबसाइट डिजाइन होने के बाद मैं क्या करता हूँ, वेब सर्वर पर लोड करता हूँ। ओके, वेब सर्वर पर लोड होने के बाद क्या होता है, तो वेब सर्वर क्या करता है, रीडायरेक्ट करता है वो पेजेस जो कि रिक्वायरमेंट है मुझे, तो वहां से वो रीडायरेक्ट करके मुझे फेच करता है। समथिंग लाइक योर वेबसाइट इज देयर, KLEBCA nippani.org, okay, something like website is there in your of your college, okay, और my website is there devchandcollege.org। तो कैसा रहते हैं हमारा, तो पहले मैं इधर वेबसाइट, वेब ब्राउजर पर वेबसाइट रीडायरेक्ट करता हूँ www.devchandcollege.org। तो यहाँ से रिक्वेस्ट जाता है, कहाँ रिक्वेस्ट जाता है, तो इंटरनेट को रिक्वेस्ट जाता है कि हमें ये वेबसाइट चाहिए devchandcollege.org। और जो मैंने वेबसाइट किधर डाला है वो मेरे पास नहीं, मेरे लैपटॉप पे नहीं, तो कहाँ है मेरा वेबसाइट, वेब सर्वर पर है। Where I have stored that website my in the web server. Okay, I have purchased one hosting and there I have stored my website। तो रिक्वेस्ट जाता है कहाँ से, मेरे पास से एक रिक्वेस्ट जाता है यूजिंग, कहाँ कैसे जाता है, तो वेब रिक्वेस्ट पहले ही मैंने डिस्कस किया कि TCP/IP प्रोटोकॉल। ओके, तो ट्रांसमिट होता है, पैकेट्स हमारा ट्रांसमिट होता है और IP एड्रेस थ्रू लोकेट करता है। कहाँ से लोकेट करता है वो, तो वेब सर्विस से लोकेट करता है। और लोकेट करने के बाद कहाँ से रिस्पॉन्स आता है, तो वेब सर्वर से हमारे पास रिस्पॉन्स आता है। ओके, आप क्या कर सकते हैं, वेब ब्राउजर ओपन करिए, समथिंग लाइक यू हैव डन लाइक गूगल मीट, यू एंटर। तो गूगल मीट कैसे ओपन होता है, तो वेब सर्वर में जो गूगल मीट स्टोर रहता है वो आपके पास रीडायरेक्ट होके आपके पास जनरेट होके डिस्प्ले होता है, देखिए। ओके, तो यहाँ से आपको गूगल मीट डिस्प्ले हो जाता है, एज यू कैन सी इन द राइट इमेज। ओके, यहाँ पर एक इमेज मैंने देखा है, देखिए, as you can see that this is my computer, and once we have entered the devchandcollege.org, if you have purchased the cloud computing server, तो क्या कर सकता है, तो IP एड्रेस थ्रू लोकेट कर सकता है यहाँ से, और वेब सर्वर पर ट्रैक करता है, हमारा वेबसाइट ट्रैक करता है। कहाँ से वो ट्रैक करता है, हमारा एक यूनिक एड्रेस रहता है। ओके, हमारा जो वेबसाइट devchandcollege.org और KLEBCA डॉट समथिंग KLE निप्पानी है, तो क्या करता है, उसका एक यूनिक आईडी रहता है। जैसे आपका रोल नंबर एक यूनिक आईडी है ना, आपका ये रोल नंबर और PRN नंबर, एनीथिंग एल्स, यूनिवर्सिटी नंबर इज रहे। सो ऐसा ही हमारा वेब सर्वर और वेबसाइट का एक यूनिक IP एड्रेस रहता है। ओके, DNS नेम रहता है, उससे वो क्या करता है, लोकेट करता है। कहाँ लोकेट करता है, वो वेब सर्वर पर लोकेट कर सकता है, और थ्रू दैट वेब सर्वर that web pages is redirecting to us। Okay, that web pages is redirecting to us। in that web pages I can enter anything else like graphic pages or web pages, that hyperlink pages, anything else. There might be the forms is there or anything else, contact form is there, or the staff profile is there, or admission profile is there, anything information is there that will be stored in our web server of that website that we have loaded। Okay, so next one, so first we will learn what is the needed of that designing that web pages। Okay, as one I have one taken that example of HTML, simple example I have took here। Okay, HTML is the basic need for designing any languages। your requirement is what, HTML is language that you have to require to learn, and then CSS and then JavaScript, that are the required languages to design any web pages। Okay, so first of all, HTML, so HTML is a language but it is called as a markup language। what why we say that it is a markup language, because we have designed using that markup tags। as you can see here, there is a HTML head, it's loaded in the angle brackets। Okay, I have written this in the angle brackets। Okay, so first of all, HTML is there, then head section is there, head section and the body section। what is meant by head and the body section is there, body means our body is there and we are displaying our body in front of you, something like that only, the browser body is there। for displaying body, we have designed one body tag for HTML। Okay, already they are given me a body tag, in that body tag whatever may the code will be there, that are displaying in display in front of you। Okay, and what is meant by head section, head section means a title, if you want to give some title like a Devchand College main page, then contact us page, it is called as a head section title pages। Okay, it is a contents of series of elements। Okay, content consists of series of elements, elements means different types of tags are available, like H1 tags is there, P tags is there, that are used for paragraphs, heading tags, for image IMG tag is there, and hyperlinks tags, with what we call it as the anchor tag, for hyperlink the pages we use the anchor tag, that is the most important. Okay, we will next move up forward. The HTTP. Okay, as you can see in the URL section, whenever you type www.devachancollege.org, what you see is the HTML. Okay, HTTP. HTTP is nothing but the hypertext transfer protocol. What is mean by hypertext or transfer protocol? It is called as a transferring of our website to that server using these protocol rules. Protocol means what? It is a set of rules. Okay, set of rules means there is something, rules are there. Okay, उनके क्या रहते हैं, रूल्स रहते हैं. So using that rules we are redirecting our site to that web server using the protocols. कौन से प्रोटोकॉल्स है? टीसीपी आईपी प्रोटोकॉल से वो क्या करते हैं, डीएनएस ट्रैक करते हैं. बट आवर वेबसाइट इज डिजाइनिंग स्पेशली फॉर व्हाट, that we have to learn. If something like a college website is there, or anything website, like a hotel website is there, institutional organization website there, so we will use HTTP. Okay, HTTP protocol, we are using it for that. If we want to transferring our website, okay, we want to transfer our web page from a local to web server, then we what we want is at the FTP server. Okay, file transfer protocol. Why we are using that FTP? For transferring our files from my local computer to the internet over the world web server, we are using at FTP server. For a Gmail, what we are using it, for a Gmail, you are receiving and sending are the, you are sending it, or you are receiving it, the mails. Okay, so what protocol you are using it for that? Something like the protocol is there, what we call it as a SMTP. Okay, it is called as SMTP, simple mail transfer protocol is there. What we are using that simple mail transfer protocol, it is using for transmitting or the receiving for the emails. Okay, it here what we call as the HTTP is based on the request response communication model. So in the diagram you can see that two HTTP versus HTTPS I have shown in our diagram. Okay, what is meant by HTTP? Here emoji, one emoji I have shown here. You can say that left side emoji and right side emoji. But here is a lock is there. What is meant by that lock? HTTPS. If you redirect your site, okay, your KLEBCA, there is a HTTPS is there. But you are redirecting to our devachancollege.org. There is a HTTPS there. What is the difference between these two? The HTTPS, it is a more secured. Okay, there is a security level is implemented in our site. Okay, because of hacking sections, because of the hacking our site, we are implementing that HTTPS secure level, and we are purchasing that using the hosting website like SSL website. SSL model is there in our website. That what we are doing it, we are purchasing that SSL certificate through hosting packages, but we have not purchased it because I have implemented that code using different techniques, so that I have not implemented that HTTPS. Only I have stabilized HTTP. Okay, I have not purchased that HTTPS. Okay, then next one is the internet protocol. What is mean by internet protocol? What is the protocol? I have already discussed what is protocol. Okay, it is protocol is nothing but a set of rules. Okay, it is nothing but the set of governing rules. तो यहाँ क्या करता है प्रोटोकॉल? हमारे जो डेटा पैकेट्स रहते हैं, हम एक वेबसाइट डिजाइन कर सकते हैं. ओके, वेबसाइट डिजाइन करने के बाद क्या होता है, हमारा एक वेब पेज है. एक वेब पेज होने के बाद क्या रहता है, हमारा वेब पेज रीडायरेक्ट करता है, as you can see in the images. Okay, HTTP client is there and server is there. Client means me, okay, or you. Okay, so you are redirecting the pages through server. Okay, and the response from that server you are getting it from that HTTP server. Okay, means the protocol you are using it, IP protocol. If you are purchasing any computer and you are connecting the internet, for that you have some static protocol is there or the dynamic protocol is there. That protocol, it is a networking part. Okay, it is a set of rules. You just say that it is a protocol, means internet protocol is a method of protocol by which data is sent from you to whom? To server. Okay, the data packets are sent to server, and from that response you will get it using that IP protocol. Okay, the next one is the internet protocol address. Okay, just now I have tell you that IP protocol. Okay, I will show you the one examples. Okay, here I have gone to my internet address. Here you can see that there is one IP address. What IP address I am using it? If I go to my IP address, here I can show you my IP address. Okay, so that is one called as a IP address. If I show the status, here you can see my IP address. So we are using details. Okay, so here my IP address is there. What is meant by IP address? It is a location of that computer or the internet through which you are connecting. It is a 192.168.1.148. Here I have joined my server using that 1.1 IP address. As you can see in my PPT, there is a 32-bit number. Okay, 32-bit number in IPv4. If you are using it 64-bit number, then you can change it in 6th number, IPv6. Okay, and that IP address are separated by what? So you are using a digit, or we can call it as a dot operator. Okay, using that dot operator, we are separating the bytes. Okay, why we are separating that bytes? Because once we have designed one web pages or the website, the packets or the website packets are transferring to web servers using that IP address. Okay, that IP address, it's a major role because we are transferring our web pages to the web server using that IP protocol address. As a एज एन एग्जाम्पल, हम एग्जाम्पल क्या देख सकते हैं कि तुम्हारा भी एक एड्रेस है. एज अ स्टूडेंट यू हैव डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ एड्रेसेस. ओके, एक स्टूडेंट कहाँ पर भी रह सकता है, एक निपानी, एक चिकोड़ी. ओके, तो एक डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ एड्रेसेस है हर स्टूडेंट का. जैसे ही वैसे क्या रहता है, वेबसाइट का डिफरेंट आईपी एड्रेस रहता है. तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं, लोकेट कर सकते हैं. जैसे हम आपको लोकेट कर सकते हैं एज अ स्टूडेंट. So using that IP address, we can locate our website in where we can locate our website in that web server. Okay, in that web server, I will locate my website, and from that website, we will get the response from that web server, and that website is displaying to us. Okay, this is what we call it as a IP address. Then, so IP address कैसे रह सकता है? Address हो गया. अब two students say, okay, as an example, if you are two students, as an example, we can take it as two students are there and they are residing in Chikodi, but their address is different, their gully is different. That type, there is a website is also there. For that, there is a uniform resource locator is there. Okay, what is meant by URL? It is called as a uniform resource locator. So हम कैसे locate कर सकते हैं URL? As a student name, there might be the name of Neha, okay, Rutuja. There is a name for that. Different names for that website is also there. That we have to purchase. Once we have loaded our website in the web server, for that website, I have to give the name for that one. Okay. Once we have designed one website for my Devchand College, I know that is Devchand College, but I don't know about the URL. What is that URL of that Devchand College or the KLE BCA College? There is a, for that we have to purchase one URL. What is meant by URL? It is nothing but the domain name. It is a name. As you can see that the URL is divided into 4 parts. Okay, it is divided into the 4 parts. First one is a transfer protocol. As we have already discussed, there is different types of protocols is there. HTTP, FTP, SMTP. As you can see in the images, there is a HTTP server is there. HTTP protocol is there. After that, there is a URL host. Okay, it is a host. Main part is a domain name means host. In that, if you are using that host name, then only we can track our college name, or we can track our that website that we have already designed. Okay. After that, there is called as a something HTML is written over here. Means what? The part of that file. Means as an example, we can take it as a KLE BCA College Nippani. Okay. In that, there are different parts is there. Part of the file is there. What is that part of the file? There is one part. Okay. As an example here. Okay. It is a scheme. Scheme means what? The protocol. Then there is a server name. Server name means what? Your college name is there, or different organization name is there. Different types of server names are available. Then there is a path. Path means what? That path of the file or the location of that file. In that location, I have loaded some media like a PDF media or anything else. The image file is there, or Word file is there, or RAR file is there. I have loaded in that host name. Okay, whatever the files that I am using it for my websites, I have already loaded in my web server. Okay, for that web server or that website, I have using one URL name. Okay, first of all, I will see the scheme names. Okay, scheme examples of the protocol names, that is HTTP, FTP, SMTP. Already in the later part we have discussed in the previously, or I already have discussed this HTTP, FTP, SMTP. So next, as an example, we can took, okay, HTTPS is this is what your site is there. This is your college website, HTTPS colon / klbcanippani.com, and in that contact us web page is there. Okay, in that site your contact us web page is there. What is mean that contact us? It is called as a directory path. Okay, in that site or in that host name, there is one contact us page is there. Okay, I will check the example, and the file name is what? Any PDF, doc, image file, etc. Okay, I will see that example. Once we have clicked that site, it is redirecting to our website. Okay, it is redirecting our websites as we have shown here. Okay, I will cancel this one. Okay, it is going to your website. What is website name? It is a klebcanippani.com. In that, your contact us web page is there. Directly, it is redirecting to our website. Why it is happened? Because we have hyperlinked our web pages. Okay, if I click on my home pages, okay, if you click on your website home pages, you see the home pages of your website. These are called as a web pages that we have designed. Okay, these are the different web pages. Like in that hyperlink pages, we have designed one about college, KLV society, chairman message. These are the website or the web pages that we have designed, and combinedly that web pages we have designed your website. What we have named to that website? klebcanippani.com. That website name we have given it for your website. Okay, as you can see, there are different types of sliders. As you are going it, there are image slider is there, then there is a text is there, or the information is there, then the navigation page is there in your site. That is called as a directory path. Okay, directory path, or you can call it as a PDF files, doc files, image files are loaded in your website. The next one, the DNS. Already I have discussed, that is a DNS. In that web server, why this DNS is required? Only the Devchand College site and the KLE site not loaded on that website. There are words of websites. In that word, there are different types of organization is there, company website is there, hotel website is there, that are loaded in single server. Okay, so that single server it called as a phone book or the DNS. DNS क्या कर सकता है? तो हमारा ट्रैक करता है वो वेबसाइट। इंटरनेट में क्या रहता है? एक डोमेन नेम रहता है हमारा, जैसे कि devchandcollege.org है और आपका क्या है klebca.nippani है, तो हमारा ट्रैक करके हमारा वेबसाइट देता है। सो डीएनएस में क्या रहता है? इधर देखिए, होस्ट नेम्स www.example.org, कौन सा एग्जाम्पल रहता है सकता है देवचंद कॉलेज और केएलई। सो देर आर डोमेन नेम्स आर अवेलेबल, लाइक हमारा कॉलेज वेबसाइट है तो डोमेन नेम क्या रह सकता है? ORG रह सकता है। और गवर्नमेंट साइट है तो गवर्नमेंट, इफ यू सी द एमपीएससी यूपीएससी साइट देयर, तो वहां क्या रहता है? .gov। और कमर्शियल साइट रहता है तो वहां पे क्या रहता है? .com। और कैसे रह सकता है? कंट्री कोड, यूजिंग दैट कंट्री कोड वी कैन परचेस आवर डोमेन नेम्स, टॉप लेवल डोमेन वी कैन परचेस इट, like .us for India, .in is there, for United States .us is there, for South Africa .sa is there, etc. As you can see in the images, there are different types of DNS. तो DNS क्या रहता है? वेब सर्वर को क्या रहता है? तो उनको सिर्फ आईपी एड्रेस समझ में आता है, उनको क्या समझ में नहीं आता? तो आपको जैसे मराठी वगैरह और कन्नड़ा वगैरह समझ में आ सकता है, इंग्लिश समझ में आ सकता है, तमिल और उर्दू लैंग्वेजेस समझ में नहीं आ सकता, वैसे ही वेब सर्वर का लैंग्वेज क्या है? बाइनरी। ओके, इट इज कॉल्ड एज आईपी एड्रेस, वो वेब सर्वर को समझ में आता है। तो हमको क्या समझ में आता है? डीएनएस नेम, लाइक devchandcollege.org और KLBCA निप्पानी। सो हमको मालूम है कि KLBCA.nippani मतलब वो वेबसाइट है, तो उनको वेब सर्वर को समझ में आने के लिए क्या कर सकते हैं हम, तो उनको एक हम परचेस कर सकते हैं आईपी एड्रेस. फॉर दैट यूनिक डोमेन नेम वी कैन परचेस one website. As you can see, I will go to one hosting site like a GoDaddy. Okay, it is a popular one. It is a hosting websites like a GoDaddy.com or BigRock.com. You can plenty of sites, and Google also provide the hosting packages. Okay, here you can see it is providing the domain names as well as the website designing as well as the hosting packages. Okay, it is allowing you to whatever you want, something like a, if we search the domain name, as you can see, find your domain name. If we call it as a Devchand College, okay, here I have to search some like a Devchand College and I have to search the domain. Already we have purchased one domain name what is called as a devchandcollege.org. मैंने क्या किया, ऑलरेडी परचेस किया है devchandcollege.org. सो हमें ये लिस्ट में नहीं दिखाई देगा. अब हम चेक कर सकते, तो हमें क्या सजेशन देगा, devchandcollege.in परचेस कर सकते हैं और devchandcollege.us परचेस कर सकते हैं और एनीथिंग एल्स. devchandcollege.com परचेस कर सकते हैं. इधर देखिए devchandcollege.com इज अवेलेबल. ग्रेट. व्हाट इज ग्रेट, तो हम ईयरली ए परचेस कर सकते हैं. 199 रुपीज में हम पर ईयर परचेस कर सकते हैं. पण एक किसके लिए, सिर्फ डोमेन नेम के लिए, होस्टिंग के लिए नहीं. ओके, as you can it will provide also the suggest names. Okay, what we it is suggesting, it is available like devchand.college is available, devchandcolleges.com is available. You can purchase that sites also. Okay, so whatever your requirement is there, whatever is easier name is there, you have to purchase it from different website. So first that domain is there, then we will move forwards about hosting. Hosting means what, our website is designed using the HTML languages or CMS based website is there or WordPress is there. There are different types of hosting packages there. Okay, here you can see web hosting, directly you can purchase it, business hosting and WordPress hosting, reseller hosting, VPS hosting, dedicated server hosting. These are called as a servers. Okay, these are called as a server. As you can see, the differences why they are given is 99 rupees per month and business hosting is given as 1159 rupees per month. Why this is the difference one? So you can click on this, learn more, and you easily track on that. Okay, why these are given on that rate, why this is purchasing using that higher rate, why they are purchasing, like business sellers are there, organization they are there, they are purchasing these sites from the business hosting. Okay, they are given you the more space, more internet speed, more security they are giving you. For that there is a requirement of hosting packages. Okay, that is we call it as a hosting. So next one we will go move forward about URL. And next one, already we have discussed this URL syntax. As you know, that scheme means protocol address, server name means, what is server name, it is a domain name, and the path, what is we call it as a path, means what, the path of that page or the web page. Okay, next one, DNS, already we have discussed the generic and the country code DNS. Next one, so hum different types of website, as you can see your website is there, but it is a dynamic one or a static one. Static means what, there is fixed amount of pages. अब क्या कर सकता हूँ मैं, एक होटल का वेबसाइट ले आऊँ क्या करने के लिए, डिजाइन करने के लिए, तो मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ 5 पेजेस डिजाइन कर सकता हूँ. ओके, as I can design the only 5 pages in that hotel website, and the information that presented in the form of only HTML code or the CSS or JavaScript. This is what we call it as a static page. Okay, what we call it as a static page. Static means it's the fixed amount of information, you can't change anything using the backend. Backend means what, there is a nothing like a database package in that static website. Okay, if as an example I will took my college websites. Okay, here I will took my college website devchandcollege.org. Once we have click on it, it is the website is the dynamic one. This website is a dynamic one, not the static one. Okay, once we have click anything else, there is one exam notice I have loaded. Okay, here I have designed one website and the tabs, this is the dynamic tabs. Once we have click on it, it is changing. Okay, why it is changing it, why it's changing it, because I have already designed using that dynamic pages. Means what? Real time changes. If I want to change on my Devchan College websites, I will open that server name and I will change. Directly you will see real time changes in your site. Okay, there is a static websites are also there, you can't change in it. Okay, once you have design one website like a hotel, as an example we took at the hotel websites. Okay, and I have designed only 5 pages. In that, home page is there, room page is there, contact page is there, and I want to change in that contact pages. So web designer, what will that web designer will do? It will change in the static manner. Okay, it will static manner, it will changing it using the languages. Which languages they are using it? HTML. But I'm not any using it the languages in are my in the dynamic side. I'm just changing it using CMS, drag and drop pages. Okay, as an example, here I have loaded one page or the images. Easy to build. Static websites are easily built. Okay, you can easily build our website using that static languages, that HTML and the CSS. But in the dynamic website, you have to learn something advanced languages. What is that advanced languages? PHP is there, Perl is there, HTML also is there, and the SQL. SQL means what? Structured query language. This is required for your database. Whatever your data I am collecting from my side, it is storage part. Okay, whenever you want, I will respond you using that static database or the dynamic websites. As you can see in the images, once we have respond to that database server, that server will redirect to or the respond to our clients. Then there is a type of websites based on your content. Okay, what is meant by types of sites that are available? Types of websites are available now. As you can see, there is a e-commerce sites like Amazon, Flipkarts are there, or there is a college websites. Then there is forum part. Forum part means what? You can discuss your just like a WhatsApp. There is a forum parts of your customer queries. Okay, we are firing the queries like we have purchased one Redmi smartphone, and I want to check. There is a different types of news are there in their forum sites, like for that Redmi 4A, I want to check the different latest updates. So we are going to that forum website. Then there is an educational website like a Devchan College or KLIB College. Then there is search engine optimizations there are there. Then there are information websites are there, like you want to information like a mobile, laptop, smartphones available. You want to information on that sites, you can design this kind of a website using different kind of a languages. That are the websites are available over the web. Okay, what is meant by World Wide Web? Already we have discussed. The World Wide Web is nothing but consist of public websites connected to the internet worldwide. Okay, worldwide, that are the websites are connecting and that are displaying in every area using your smartphones, laptops. Okay, then there is a three distinct technologies are there. What is meant by three distinct technologies that we are required? One is the HTML language, then there is HTTP rules, that is the protocol, and there is a URL for our site like devchancollege.org, KLBC, Pani. That kind of a URL is needed. Then there is a softwares. What are the softwares? I have discussed like a different types of languages are there, different types of web servers is there. So how we can start to design our web pages? There are different types of software tools or the editors are available. That I am using it, the Cone Igniter and the CMS based editor. That is the latest one. You can start your designing our website like a Notepad and the Notepad++. Then you can move forward to Adobe Dreamweaver or Adobe Photoshop. There are different types of, these are the four that are required, or latest also softwares are available in the internet. You can download and try your code and design your website. As you can see, there is a layout. Okay, HTML, PHP, CSS. Then there layout, there is home page is also there. Home page means what? Your index page, the front page of your website. Once we have go to devchancollege.org, there is a available of home page. Okay, first page is called as a home page. There is a CMS techniques is there, SEO techniques is there. You can start googling it. That's words like a CMS, SEO, www. then you more you want to learn it, you can start googling it, because the web is not a small one, it is the biggest one. As we have discussed, there is a two part. One is the front end and the back end, like a client and the server. The front end is what, like a static website, like a html, css, javascript websites are there. Okay, फ्रंट एंड में क्या रहता है, हम डिजाइन कर सकते हैं वेब पेजेस यूजिंग द एचटीएमएल लैंग्वेजेस, सीएसएस लैंग्वेजेस, जावास्क्रिप्ट लैंग्वेजेस. Okay, also there is a latest language is there, like bootstrap is there, ajax is there, that languages are coming in this year, you can use that one. Okay, then there is a image editing tools, accessibility tools, and cross browser issues, like once you have designed the website, you have to what to do, you आप क्या कर सकते हैं, तो टेस्ट कर सकते हैं. Once you have designed your website, you have to test on different browsers, because I am using it the Chrome, you can use the Mozilla Firefox, someone is using the Opera one. So you have to, for the deployment of your website, first you have to check the cross browser test, you have to done it before deployment your website. Means what, web server में पहले storage करने के लिए you have to check your website is working or not. Okay, you have to check your website is properly working or not. Then there is a word, what is called as a word SEO, there is a search engine optimization. As you have heard SEO, this is the latest one. हम क्या करते हैं, पहले ही SEO मतलब क्या, तो हम वेबसाइट कर सकते हैं. ओके, here I have used one SEO on our website, as you can check it, devchandcollege.org हमने enter किया. Already I have saved, that's why it is showing me devchandcollege.org. Okay, मैं Google सर्च करता हूँ devchandcollege.org. इधर क्या रहता है देखिए, पहले क्या आता है devchandcollege.org. हम क्या करते हैं एज अ स्टूडेंट और रिसर्चर, पहले दो वेबसाइट पर क्लिक करके चेक करते हैं क्या क्या हमारा इंफॉर्मेशन चाहिए, हम नीचे जाके चेक करते नहीं. तो ये वेबसाइट हमको टॉप में लाने के लिए क्या रहता है, एसईओ टेक्निक्स. ओके, एज आई हैव शोन हियर द एसईओ टेक्निक्स. ओके, एसईओ मतलब क्या, सर्च इंजन ऑप्टिमाइजेशन. इट इज द बिगेस्ट पार्ट nowadays, it is the biggest part. There is a competition in each other companies for what, the researcher or any user, what they are trying to do, first they will check it first or second website, they are not trying to go for the third or fourth one or fifth one. Okay, as a student you are also checking it first two sites, you are not going to third one, fourth one. So you have to learn about search engine optimization. There are plenty of jobs available on these single techniques, SEO. Then there is also jobs available for programming and scripts such as Python, Ruby, or PHP languages. As a web developer, you can work on these languages like PHP, Ruby, Python. Okay, then there is a database administrative jobs are available. There are different types of techniques in this web. So you have to focusing on single technique and you have to learn, because I have already shared you, this is a web technology, you can't neglect it. It is a more and more advanced, and as well as you have to start from basic level from the HTML, you have to go beyond the PHP also. Okay, then there is a backup facility also available, then security facility is now available for nowadays. Okay, as a last part we have discussing about this one as a image, this is the most important image. Okay, as a jobs available for you, what is the jobs available for you as a front end developer, back end developer, for the designer developer, or the marketing. Okay, as you once we are, as I know all these techniques, that's why I was designing my website by Owen. First you have to start from the front end. Okay, the technologies that are needed for you, that is the technology for front end. What is needed, tools, HTML, क्या क्या लगता है हमारे फ्रंट एंड डिजाइन करने के लिए, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Ajax, Bootstrap, these are the code that are required. Then हम क्या करते हैं, यूजर इंटरफेस चेक करते हैं. यूजर इंटरफेस मॉड, अब मेरा वेबसाइट आप चेक करके देखिए devchandcollege.org. the design that I have our website is looking smart. Okay, as a front end developer, कुछ भी नहीं सही, कुछ भी टाइप करके किया और वेबसाइट जनरेट हुआ, ऐसा नहीं रहता. यूजर कितना देर तक हमारे वेबसाइट पर रहता है, ये मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट है. मतलब क्या, यूजर जितने टाइम हमारे वेबसाइट पर रहेगा उतना ही प्रॉफिट कॉलेज को होगा, उतना ही प्रॉफिट कंपनी को होगा. दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव डिजाइनिंग अवर यूजर इंटरफेस फ्रेंडली वेबसाइट. Okay, then we are designing responsive design. As you can see here, it is a responsive design. Responsive means what? It is the latest one. As you can see in the 2000, there is no word responsible design. Means what responsible means? Responsible means it is a responsive website that are designed specially for tablet or mobile. As you can see my website in the, as an example, we can show you the Devchan College site. Okay, as we have designed this one in using the responsive design manner. Okay, as you can see, this is for PC, and for the tablet it is showing like this one. For tablet this is showing like this one, and for smartphone it is showing like this one. Okay, it is a responsive design. Means what? From your smartphone also my website looking very nice. That's the user required. Okay, that's your user required or the client requirement. Then we will move forward towards back end. Front end is over, then we will move forward towards back end. What is meant by back end? I have developed using the CMS. Okay, my website is on based on CMS. What I am doing it, anything else, the latest update is coming to me, and I am putting it as a code, not using the PHP code. I have directly designed one code editor. In that I will implementing my that image. I am loading it and giving my title and save it, and directly it is redirecting over my latest web page. It is a real time my website is there. Okay, it is directly changing our database as well as my hosting packages. Okay, because I am a admin, as I am a working as a admin over here. Okay, this is we called it as a backend developer. Then we will design. We will move toward design. Design mean what? Some websites are there like you can check, like one website I will check as an example. This is professional because it is education site. If I go to somewhat mobile website, like I will take one example as a phoneradar.com. It is what it is a websites related to latest smartphones and tablets available over the internet. So the design, you can see the differences between those two sites. You can check. तो आप क्या कर सकते हैं? चेक कर सकते हैं the differences between these two sites. Okay, here mainly focusing on the smartphones that are latest available, but here it is an educational purpose website. That's why I have designed like this one. But here you can't see the tabs directly. It is single tabs one. Okay, here I am checking it as a drop down one. Okay, drop down hyperlink pages are there. Plenty of pages I have loaded in my website, but here you can see there is only 4 or 5 pages are there. Okay, as you can see over here, there is 4 to 5 web pages are there. Okay, so first one. Okay, I will go to sharing. Okay, first let's see now. Design is over. Then we will move forward to marketing strategy. There is a plenty of jobs available now in the marketing also. What is mean by marketing? What is mean by marketing? There is a marketing strategy in the software also. Okay, there is some software like a college software is there for the administrative purpose, and I want to purchase to that college. I want to purchase to that college. What I will do is I will show that software skills. What are the softwares? What are the tabs available, or what are the techniques available in my software? So there are different types of techniques in the marketing strategy, like SEO available. Then there is a targeted group persons are available. There is a email facility available. Then there is a affiliate marketing is there. Affiliate marketing means what? There is a websites are available that are what we can call it as a, from that website they are generating the profits also. Okay, means what? They are generating some websites. they डिजाइन करते रहते. तो वेबसाइट डिजाइन करने के बाद क्या करते हैं? उस वेबसाइट्स पर वो पैसे भी कमा के रहते हैं. ओके, पैसे कमाते रहते हैं उस पर वेबसाइट पर. कैसे कर सकते हैं? यूजिंग गूगल एनालिटिक्स रूल्स रहते. सो हमारी वेबसाइट पर विजिटर ज्यादा बढ़ते रहते हैं, तब क्या रहता है? इफ द नंबर ऑफ विजिटर्स hits to our website is maximum, then we can generate the profits or revenue we can generate from that website. The revenue we can generate from that our websites. Okay, then next one. So this is the last part. Already we have discussed different types of web technology. There is a one web like a Devchan College. So मुझे क्या रहता है परेशानी? और क्या क्या रहता है, मुझे डिजाइन भी देखना पड़ता है, एनालाइजिंग भी करना पड़ता है, स्कोप क्या रहता है वो भी चेक करना पड़ता है, एज अ सपोर्ट, डिप्लॉयमेंट, क्वालिटी अश्योरेंस, सभी चेक करना पड़ता है। अभी आप जॉब में जाओगे तो डेवलपमेंट में क्या रहता है, अभी जस्ट नाउ वी हैव डिस्कस्ड एज अ फ्रंट एंड और बैक एंड डेवलपर, you can choose anyone as a front end developer or as a back end developer, or you can design something like a Photoshop. You have the skills, like you are designing different types of images using visual properties like VFX or anything 3D design. So you can go to designer as a web designer also. Okay, then you have something like a analyzing part. Okay, you can analyze different types of websites, like on your website you are analyzing different types of tools like requirements, market status, sitemap. Then you can analyze it. Then there is a scope. Scope is also available, like a brief, cost, schedule. Scope means what? There is a costing, maintenance tools in our website. Then there is a support also is there. Support means what? You have a problem in your website, like a hack. Someone is hacking my website. Then there is a part of a support that you have to give to that user or the clients. You have to give to supports, you have to give them a support 24/7 available, you have to give them a supports. Okay, then there is a SEO techniques, then there is cross platform testing is also available. Means what? Cross platform testing means we are testing our website in different browsers. Okay, so that using these techniques you can design different types of websites, as you can check the hotel websites, college website, company website is there, as you can your start your website, then there is a hospital websites is there. You can design any type of websites, okay, using that web technology. I have discussed today only not the websites but the web technology, what are available, the tools, what are available our tools, like Google. As Google, if you are going to Google, if you search in our Google, what Google is providing to us, as you can show here. Okay, Google is providing different types of techniques, like the as you can see in my right side, there is a Google search technique is there, map is there, YouTube is there, then Play Store is there. Also the Google is now supporting our Google sites also. You can design your site using Google, like sites, as I will give you the URL sites.google.com. Okay, this is the URL for designing the website. You have to start from this one. Okay, as you don't know anything, don't worry. As you know, don't know HTML, don't know CSS, what is meant by, so you have to start from this one, sites.google.com. Okay, and you can generate your sites, or you have to try this one. Okay, after this session or in the future you have to try this one, as we have already designed my BSc computer sites using this sites.google.com. You can design your college sites also, as a student or a teacher you can design your sites also. This is required for us nowadays. Okay, due to COVID-19 situation, it is very required for us as a student, as a teacher, so that you can design, like a BSc 1 is there, BSc 2 is there, BSc 3 is there, just a drag and drop facility is there. Okay, you are nothing to do any HTML code or anything else. If you are well known about the HTML or the CSS code, you can go to that embed and try to putting it our code also. Okay, you have to try. There are different types of videos available in the YouTube. You can try and check yourselves. Okay, because I don't have much more time to discuss these things, so I will conclude this one with this last PPT. Okay, thank you all members. If you have any question, you can discuss with me now. Okay, this is the web technology over the word. I will share. Okay, stop the presenting. 1 minute.
Sir, students, do you have any questions? Students?
Okay, you have okay, you have any questions, students? If you don't know anything, you can ask about the web or the internet. Okay, कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम हुआ आप बोल सकते हो. ओके, कौन सा क्वेश्चंस? I think most of the students know about this one. Okay, web technologies. Is there interest? Today's topic is interesting one because the web technology is not a small one. You have to try and try because I am working it as a over 8 years. I am working on it. Okay, still I am learning it in the web. Okay, so you have to also develop your skills in this web. Okay, is there any question from students or the teachers? Okay, you can ask me.
Riddhi,
I think you learn about more about this web very clearly. Okay.
okay, I think that sir, no one is going to ask you the questions.
Okay, okay, ma'am.
Okay, sir,
If you have a
if any
problem with queries, okay.
if, okay, if there any problem, you can ask to sir also. I will give their number.
Okay, okay,
Regarding
okay.
your queries, you can ask to them personally also, sir, also. So now I will conclude
Yes,
the
ma'am.
session. So I wish to express our sincere thanks to Swapnil sir for giving an excellent coverage on the web technology. So
Okay,
sir,
thank you, ma'am.
we all are inspired by your great words, sir. So thank you
Thank
so
you,
much,
thank you,
sir.
ma'am.
Okay, so also I'm very thankful to our principal ma'am for her support for
Thank you,
making
thank
this webinar successful. Thank you so much, ma'am. And I'm very thankful to all the participants for spending their valuable time. Thank you, students. Thank you, all of you. Thank you, sir.
thank you, ma'am. So, okay, thank you.
Okay, sir. Okay, students. Now we will end the meeting.
From my side or anything else? Any question? Okay,
Okay, sir.
okay, thank you, ma'am. I will
Okay,
end the
sir.
meeting.
Okay. Uh-huh.
Thank you, students. Okay.